Alright, let's start with our paper discussion for maths for part test 9. So the first question which we have is based on indefinite integration. Imn is given as integration of x power m into log of x power n dx. So two different kind of functions are given. It is better to use integration by parts. So for integration by parts, we'll do integration u dv is equal to u into v minus v du. To select u, we use Eilert rule. So according to Eilert rule, inverse not there, but log is there. So u would be log x power n. Remaining dv would be x power m dx. So differentiation du would be n log x power n minus 1. Differentiation of log x 1 by x dx. And here integration dv v would be x power m plus 1 by m plus 1. So if I apply the formula, Imn would be u into v. U is log x power m into v is x power m plus 1 by m plus 1 minus integration v du. What is v here? V is x power m plus 1 by m plus 1. Du is n log x power n minus 1 into 1 by x dx. So if I simplify, I'll get Imn as x power m plus 1 divided by m plus 1 multiply by log x power n minus, let's take the constants outside, n and m plus 1, both are constants, they come outside, integration of what remains here, x power m plus 1 and x. So x power m plus 1 divided by x into log x power n minus 1 dx. So I can cancel this 1 with x. So finally what I am getting, Imn equal to x power m plus 1 divided by m plus 1 multiply by log x power n minus n by m plus 1 integration x power m into log x power n minus 1 dx. Now if you notice, x power m log x power n is Imn. So x power n log x power n minus 1 would be Imn minus 1. So Imn equal to x power m plus 1 divided by m plus 1 log x power n minus n by m plus 1 into n minus 1. Okay, so next question based on indefinite integral. If I have Imn as 0 to pi by 2 sine power mx into cos power nx dx. So I can use Wally's formula or reduction formula, both are same thing for this, where m and n both are even. The formula is Imn is equal to m minus 1 by m plus n into m minus 3 by m plus n minus 2, and so on. We have to keep on doing till we get 1 by 2 into pi by 2. That is, what we are doing here is numerator is getting subtracted by 2, numerator is getting subtracted by 2, denominator is also getting subtracted by 2 till we get 1 by 2. So here m is 8, n is 2. So what will we get? 8 minus 1 by 8 plus 2. So first of all, the first step which we are getting, 8 minus 1 by 8 plus 2. What is this 8 minus 1 by 8 plus 2? 7 by 10. The numerator is getting subtracted by 2, denominator is getting subtracted by 2. So next would be 5 by 8. Then 5 minus 2, 3. 8 minus 2, 6. 3 minus 2, 1. 6 minus 2, 2. So we got a 1 by 2. At last we have to multiply it by pi by 2. So 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10. So at last what we are getting in numerator? 7 pi. In denominator, if you multiply all the 2's, you will get 5 and 2. So answer is D, 7 pi by 5 and 2. Now next question on differential equation. We have x square y minus x cube dy by dx equal to y power 4 cos x. So I can write it as, if I take x cube dy by dx this side, x cube dy by dx plus y power 4 cos x equal to x square y. If I take x cube down, what will I get? Dy by dx plus y power 4 cos x by x cube equal to x square y by x cube. Square say this will get cancelled. So dy by dx equal to, dy by dx plus y power 4 cos x by x cube equal to 1 by x into y. Now I have to simplify this further. So I'll use Bernoulli's theorem or linear. I have to convert this to linear differential equation. What will I do? I'll take this over here, minus 1 by x into y equal to minus of cos x by x cube into y power 4. So what will I do? I'll divide all sides by y power 4. So what will I get? 1 by y power 4 dy by dx minus 1 by x into y by y power 4 equal to minus cos x by x cube. So 1 by y power 4 dy by dx minus 1 by x into 1 by y cube equal to minus cos x by x. So to convert it to linear differential equation, what will we do? Minus y by 1 by y cube as t. That is minus y power minus 3 as t. If I differentiate, what will I get? 3 minus 3 will come forward, minus minus plus, y power minus 4 dy by dx is dt by dx. So 1 by y power 4 dy by dx is equal to dt by dx into 1 by 3. So substitute that here, what will I get? This is dt by dx into 1 by 3 plus 1 minus 1 by y cube is t. So plus 1 by x into t equal to minus cos x by x cube. Send this 3 over here, dt by dx plus 3 by x into t is equal to minus cos x by x cube. So what is p of x? If you compare it to linear differential equation, what is p of x? 3 by x. And what is q of x? Q of x is minus cos x by x cube. So what is integrating factor? E power integration of p of x dx. So what is integration of p of x dx? Integration of p of x integration of 3 power x dx. So e 3 common integration dx by x. What is integration dx by x? Log x. E power 3 log x. If I interchange x and e, what will I get? X cube. So integrating. Okay, so I got the value of p of x, q of x, I got the integrating factor value. Now what should I do? What can I do is t into integrating factor for solution equal to q of x integrating factor dx. So t into x cube equal to, what was q of x? What is q of x? Q of x is minus 3 cos x by x cube. Minus 3 cos x divided by x cube into integrating factor x cube dx. X cube cancel. So t into x cube is equal to minus 3 comes outside, cos x dx. So t is minus 1 by y cube minus 1 by y cube x cube equal to minus 3 integration of cos x sin x minus c. If I take minus common, x cube y power minus 3 equal to 3 sin x plus c, or you can write it as plus and then minus also, that is fine, both are anyways constant. So 3 sin x plus c, option C. Okay, for next question of differential equation, what we can do is, let's write it as y square dx equal to minus of x square minus xy plus y square dy. So we can write dx by dy, this y square goes down, minus x square minus xy plus y square divided by y square. So we can write dx by dy is equal to, this will be minus x square by y square minus minus plus xy by y square minus plus minus y square by y square. So y square cancel. So we get dx by dy as minus of x by y whole square plus x by y minus 1. So what we can do, we can take x by y as t. So x equal to yt. If I differentiate, differentiation of x is dx by, and differentiation of y is y dt by dx plus t. So dt by dy, right, dy. So if we substitute here, what will I get? Y dt by dy plus t equal to minus t square plus t minus 1. So plus t cancel. So y dt by dy equal to minus of t square plus 1. Send it here, dt by t square plus 1 equal to minus dy by y. So dt by t square plus 1 plus dy by y equal to 0. If I integrate both sides, integration of dt by t square plus 1 tan inverse t, integration dy by y log mod y or ln y, because here ln y is given ln y, plus c equal to 0. And what is t? Tan inverse, what was t? T was x by y. So tan inverse x by y plus ln y plus c equal to 0. This will be your answer. Let's move to our next question. I1 is of definite integral. I1 is given, I2 is given. I1 is 1 minus x power 50 into 101 and I2 is 0 to 1, 1 minus x power 50 into 100. For this specific type of questions, what will we do is 0 to 1, 1 minus 50 power 101 dx, will do integration by parts. That is integration u dv is equal to u into v minus integration v du. Here I'll take u as whatever is given, 1 minus x power 50 power 101, and dv as what is remaining, just dx. So integration dv, v value would be x. If I differentiate du, so 101, 1 minus x power 50 into 100, and this will be minus 50 x power 49. So du would be 101 minus 50 minus 5050 x power 49 into 1 minus x power 50 power 100. This is du. So apply the formula, we'll get I1 as u into v. U is v is x into 1 minus x power 50 power 101. Limits remain the same from a to b, from a to b, from a to b. So what are the limits here? U into v limits are 0 to 1 minus v du. V is x, du is minus 5050, so plus times 5050, minus minus becomes plus, x power 49, 1 minus x power 50 power 100 into dx. So I1 is equal to, if I substitute the limits here, if you substitute 1, you will get 1 into 1 minus 1 power 101, which is 0, minus of, if you substitute 0 into 1 minus 0 power 101, which is also 0. So finally after applying limits, I am getting this as 0 only. Plus 5050 is a constant, comes outside of here, limits remain same, 0 to 1, and what is there? X into x power 49. So I can write it as x power 50 into 1 minus x power 50 power 100 dx. So this becomes 0. So I1 is equal to 5050. Now still it is not in the form of I2. I have to get it in the form of I2. So what can I do? I'll write it as minus 5050. Why? Minus 5050, 0 to 1, here minus x power 50 into 1 minus x power 50 power 100 dx. Why did I do so? Here what I'll do is, near this x power 50 I'll do plus 1 and minus 1. So what will I get? I1 as minus 5050, 0 to 1, 1 minus x power 50 minus 1 into 1 minus x power 50 power 100 dx. So I1 would be minus 5050 from 0 to 1. 1 minus x power 50 multiplied by this whole thing, 1 minus x power 50 power 101 minus, create a line here, minus 1 into this whole thing, so minus of 1 minus x power 50 power 100 dx. Let's separate them. Minus 5050, 0 to 1, 1 minus x power 50 power 100 and 1 minus, again minus of 5050 integration 0 to 1, 1 minus x power 50 power 100 and 100, just power 100 here. So I1, this is minus 5050, this is our I1, and this will be plus 5050, this is our I2. This goes this side, 5051 I1 is equal to 5050 I2, option C. Now next question, sixth question is based on definite integral. Now what is given? Fractional part of x. So we'll use this formula. If a to a plus nt of some periodic function f of x is given, f of x is periodic with period t. So you can write it as n times 0 to t f of x dx. So we have fractional part of x. What is the period of fractional part of x? Period of fractional part of x is 1. So what is a here? Minus 1 by 7 and 20 by 7. What is 20 n? So actually if we want to write what is the value of n, value of n would be minus 1 by 7 n would be 20 by 7 minus of minus 1 by 7. So value of n would be 20 by 7 plus 1 by 7, which is 21 by 7, which is 3. So what will we get? 3 times period 0 say 1, period t is given as 1, e power 5 fractional part of x dx. Now when x is from 0 to 1, you can write fractional part of x as simple x. So it will be 3 times 0 say 1 e power 5x dx. So 3 times. What is integration of e power 5x? E power 5x by 5 from 0 to 1. If I substitute the limits, I'll get 3 by 5 common, e power 5 minus e power 0. So 3 by 5 into e power 5 minus 1. 3 power 5 into e power 5 minus 1. Okay, next question. F of x and g of x is a continuous function. It is given that f of x plus f of x is equal to f of a minus x, and g of x is given as 2 minus g of a minus x, or g of a minus x you can write it as 2 minus g of x. So 0 to a, you can apply this. If you have 0 to a f of x dx, you can also write it as 0 to a f of a minus x dx. You can apply this. If f is confusing in here, you can apply an h as well. So if you apply this property, what will we get here? We have 0 to a f of x dx, f of x into g of x dx. If I apply this property, instead of x, I can substitute a minus x. So I'll get f of a minus x into g of a minus x dx. So it will be 0 to a. What is f of a minus x? Same as f of x. Okay. G of a minus x is 2 minus g of x. 2 minus g of x into dx. So multiply this inside. So 0 to a. Let's say this is I. 0 to a f of x multiply by 2. 2 f of x dx minus again 0 to a f of x into g of x dx, and this whole thing is also I. So we get I is equal to 2 times 0 to a f of x dx minus I. So we get 2I is equal to 2 times 0 to a f of x dx. So we get I value as 0 to a f of x dx. Option A. So next question on indefinite integration, what we are given, integration of I tan x by tan x minus 2 dx is given. So I'll convert everything to sine cos first. So what will I get? Phi sin x divided by cos x whole divided by sin x by cos x minus 2. If I simplify it further into dx, what will I get? Phi sin x divided by cos x whole divided by sin x minus 2 cos x divided by cos x dx. So cos x cancel. What remains? Phi sin x divided by sin x minus 2 cos x dx. For this type of questions of there is trigonometry by trigonometry, what will we do? We'll take numerator as h of x, denominator as g of x, and write h of x as a g of x plus b g dash x. We usually add a plus c as well, but here numerator denominator both do not have a constant. If both do not have a constant, I don't need to add a plus c. So what is g of x? What is h of x? H of x is phi sin x. And what is g of x? Sin x minus 2 cos x. Differentiation g dash x. Differentiation of sin x is cos x. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. So plus minus minus becomes plus. So cos x plus 2 sin x. Substitute over here, we get h of x, that is phi sin x equal to a times sin x minus 2 cos x plus b times cos x plus 2 sin x. So we get it as a sin x minus 2a cos x plus b cos x plus 2b sin x. take like terms together, a sin x and 2b sin x. So it will be a plus 2b sin x plus minus 2a plus b cos x, and this is equal to what? This is equal to phi sin x. If I compare the coefficients, what will I get? Sin x coefficient is a plus 2b is phi and minus 2a plus b is 0. So we get b equal, because there is no cos x terms, so 0. So we get b as 2a, and if you substitute that here, a plus 2 into 2a equal to 5. So a plus 4a equal to 5, 5a equal to 5. So a value is 1. If a value is 1, b value would be 2. If you substitute here, over here, what will I get? H of x as a is g of x, b is 2 times g dash x. But what you are asked here, h of x by g of x is asked. So h of x by g of x would be g of x by g of x plus 2 g dash x by g of x. So how can I simplify it further? So integration of this, integration of this, integration of this. So integration of g of x by g of x, just dx, add a dx, and this will be plus 2 times integration g dash x dx by g of x. For this, what we can do, take g of x as t, differentiation of g of x, g dash x dx would be dt. So integration dx plus 2 times integration dt by t. So this will be x plus 2 log mod t plus c. What is t? T is g of x, and what is g of x? G of x is sin x minus 2 cos x. So x plus 2 log mod sin x minus 2 cos x plus c. This will be our answer. Okay. Question number 9, a differential equation question. This looks a little bit easier. dy by dx is given as 2xy divided by 1 plus x square, variable separable. dy by y equal to 2x dx by 1 plus x square. Integrate dy by y is log mod y. Integration dx, how to solve this integration? Take 1 plus x square as t. So 2x dx would be dt. So integration of dt divided by t. So log mod y is equal to log mod t plus log mod c, let's say. So what will we get? Log mod y minus log mod t equal to log mod c. So log of y by t equal to log of c. So we get y by t as c. So y equal to ct. Y equal to c times, what is t here? T is 1 plus x square. Y equal to c times 1 plus x square. C is same, constant. Alright, next question is of differential equations, but we can solve it by indefinite integration. dy by dx is given as x square plus 4x minus 9 divided by x plus 2. So this is an improper fraction. So I have to convert it to a proper fraction. What will I do? I'll divide them. What will I do? I'll divide them. So let's say if I have a function p of x. Let's say I have a function h of x, and if I divide it by g of x. So if you divide a function h of x by g of x, you'll get a quotient q of x and you'll get a remainder r of x, yes or no? I am dividing h of x by g of x. H of x divided by g of x. This will be your quotient, q of x will be your quotient, and r of x will be your remainder. And if I divide all sides by g of x, what will I get? I can write h of x by g of x as q of x plus r of x by g of x. So on dividing h of x by g of x, I will get a q of x quotient function plus remainder divided by whatever I am dividing with, g of x function. So I have to divide this h of x, here is x square plus 4x minus 9. I have to divide it by g of x, which is x plus 2. So I can use the synthetic division method. 1, 4 minus 9 divided by x plus 2, that is minus 2. 0 here, 1 plus 0, 1. 1 into minus 2, minus 2. 4 minus 2, 2. This will be minus 4, so minus 13. So remainder is minus 13. Quotient is x plus 2. So h of x by g of x, you can write dy by dx as quotient x plus 2, remainder minus 13 divided by x plus 2. So send dx here. So dy is equal to x plus 2 into dx minus 13 dx by x plus 2. If I apply integration all sides, integration dy y, integration of x plus 2, x square by 2 plus 2x minus 13 log mod x plus 2 plus c. Option D. So next question again of differential equations. Now notice here we have x plus y and denominator mein we have 2x plus 2y. So to simplify this, what will we do? It is not a homogeneous equation, but I can still simplify this as I'll take it as 2 times x plus y plus 3. So I'll substitute x plus y as t. As you can see, the options also has x plus y. So 1 plus dy by dx is equal to dt by dx. So dy by dx will be equal to dt by dx minus 1. So dy by dx is dt by dx minus 1 equal to, what is x plus y? X plus y is t. So t plus 7 divided by 2t plus 3. Take this 1 over here, we get dt by dx as t plus 7 divided by 2t plus 3 plus 1. If I take LCM, I'll get dt by dx as, if I take LCM t plus 7 plus 2t plus 3 divided by 2t plus 3. So dt by dx equal to t 2t 3t plus 10 divided by 2t plus 3. So this goes up, 2t plus 3 divided by 3t plus 10 dt is equal to dx. Integration both sides. For this integration, what will we do? Take this denominator 3t plus 10 as some variable u. So 3t would be u minus 10 and t would be u minus 10 by 3. Here what will we get? dt as du by 3. So 3 dt is du. Sorry, dt is du by 3. We don't need 3 dt, right? We just need dt is du by 3. So integration 2 times. What is t? T is u minus 10 by 3 plus 3 divided by u, and here we have du by 3 is equal to integration dx. So integration 2u minus 20 plus LCM 339 divided by 3u multiplied by du by 3 equal to integration of dx. So 1 by 9 constant comes outside. What is there here? 2u minus 11 divided by u du equal to integration dx. This 9 goes over here. Integration 2u by u minus 11 by u du is equal to 9 integration dx. So integration 2 du minus 11 du by u equal to 9 integration dx. So 2u minus 11 log mod u equal to 9x plus c. So what are we getting? 2u minus, what are we getting? 2u minus 11 log mod u, 11 log mod u equal to 9x plus c. What was u? U was 3t plus 10, right? U was 3t plus 10. And what was t? X plus y. So 3 times x plus y plus 10. So u is 3x plus 3y plus 10. If you substitute 2 times 3x plus 3y plus 10 minus 11 log mod u. Log mod u, that is log mod 3x plus 3y plus 10 equal to 9x plus c. So 2 into 3 6, x plus y plus 2 into 10 20 goes to the constant. So minus 11 log mod 3x plus 3y plus 10 equal to 9x. C minus 20 is another constant. Okay. Next question, area bounded by mod x by a plus mod of y by b equal to 1. So mod can open in 2 ways, plus and minus. Mod y can also open in 2 ways, plus and minus. So total how many lines will get? Total how many lines will get? X by a plus y by b equal to 1. If both open in positive, if both open in negative, we'll get this line. If y open in negative, we'll get this line, and if x open in negative, we'll get this line. If you plot each one of this line, you'll notice that x and y intercepts are a, b, minus b and minus a. So If you plot each one of these lines, it will be something like this. Although it's not looking like one, where are they intersecting? At the intercept. So this is a comma 0, this is 0 comma b, this is minus a comma 0, and this is 0 comma minus b. So what do we need to do is we need to find this whole area. How can we find this whole area? We can find the area of this one. You can find the area of this one triangle A and multiply it by 4. What is the area of triangle A? 1 by 2 AB. So total area would be 4. Multiply by 4. So your answer would be 2AB. Okay, next question on differential equation. We have cos y dy by dx. So you can write it as e power x into e power sin y plus x square e power sin y. So e power sin y I can take common, cos y dy by dx equal to, if I take e power sin y common, what remains? E power x plus x square. Variable separable, cos y dy divided by e power sin y equal to e power x dx plus x square dx. Integrate, integrate, integrate. So for this what we can do is substitute sin y as t. So differentiation, cos y dy would be dt. So integration dt divided by e power t, that is e power minus t, equal to e power x dx plus x square dx. If you integrate, what will you get? Minus e power minus t equal to plus c equal to e power x integration e power x, x square integration x cube by 3. Take this over here, c equal to e power x plus x cube by 3 plus e power minus t. And what is t? Sin y, e power x plus x cube by 3 plus e power minus sin y. Addition of 3 of them equal to c. Now for this integration, in is given as x power n divided by 1 plus x square dx. You are asked the value of I5 plus I7. What will be I5 plus I7? I5 is x power 5 divided by 1 plus x square dx, and I7 is x power 7 divided by 1 plus x square dx. So I5 plus I7 would be x power 5 plus x power 7 divided by 1 plus x square dx. So what can you take common? X square, if x power 5 if you take common, what will you get? 1 plus x square into 1 divided by 1 plus x square dx. 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square cancel. So what remains? X power 5 dx, which is x power 6 by 6, and this is the value of I5 plus I7. And what is the value of I4 plus I6? Value of I4 plus I6 would be integration x power 4 dx divided by 1 plus x square plus integration x power 6 dx divided by 1 plus x square. So add both of them, x power 4 plus x power 6 divided by 1 plus x square dx. So this will be equal to, take x power 4 common, 1 plus x square into 1 plus x square dx. 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square cancel. So we get integration x power 4 dx, which is x power 5 by 5. This is I4 plus I6. So numerator by denominator. So 1 by x in numerator, x power 6 by 6 in denominator, x power 5 by 5. So x, this becomes x power 5, x power 5, x power 5 cancel. Answer is 5 by 6. Next question is, if you notice something over here, e power x into something equal to e power x into something. So we'll use this formula, e power x into f of x plus f dash x is dx. You can write it as e power x into f of x plus c. So what do we have? E power x into 2 sine square x. We have sine 2x. So what is sine 2x formula? Sine 2x is 2 sine x cos x. And this whole is also getting multiplied by sin x dx. So if I multiply the sin x inside, I'll get 2 sin cube x plus 6 sin square x cos x into dx. So if you take f of x function as 2 sin cube x, what is the differentiation? F dash x, 6 sin square x, differentiation of sin x is cos x. So we got integration e power x into f of x plus f dash x dx. You can write it as e power x into f of x, that is e power x into what is f of x? 2 sine cube x, e power x into 2 sine cube x plus c. So function phi of x is 2 sine cube x. Now if we go through each of the options, phi of pi by 2, in place of x keep pi by 2, 2 sine cube pi by 2, sine pi by 2 1, so this is 1. Phi of pi, instead of x keep pi, 2 sine cube pi, sine pi is 0. Phi of pi by 6, so phi of pi by 6, 2 sine cube pi by 6, what is sine pi by 6? Sine 30, 1 by 2, so 2 into 1 by 2 cube, 1 by 8, so answer is 1 by 4, so this is false. And phi of 0, 2 sine cube 0, 2 sine cube 0, which is 0. Alright, next question is of definite integral 0 to pi by 2 log of sine x dx. So I'll write it as I equal to 0 to pi by 2 log of sine x dx. So I'll use this property of integration 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx, that is f of pi by 2 minus a. So I equal to 0 to pi by 2 log of sine of pi by 2 minus x into dx. So I equal to 0 to pi by 2 log of sine pi by 2 minus x cos x dx. So let's say this is this is 1, this is 2. I'll add both of them. Add 1 and 2. What will I get? I plus I, 2i equal to 0 to pi by 2. This is log of sine x and this will be log of cos x dx. So log a plus log b. What is log a plus log b? Log of ab. So we get 2i is equal to 0 to pi log of sine x cos x dx. Can I write it as 2 sine x cos x divided by 2, and what is 2 sine x cos x? Sine 2x. So I can write 2i as 0 to pi by 2 log of sine 2x divided by 2 dx. So log of a by b I can write it as log a minus log b. So 0 to pi by 2 log sine 2x dx sine 2x minus log 2 dx. So you can write 2i as 0 to pi by 2 log of sine 2x dx minus 0 to pi by 2 log 2 dx. So log 2 is a constant, you can write it as log 2 integration dx from 0 to pi by 2, that is log 2 x from 0 to pi by 2. So this will be pi by 2 log 2. So this value is pi by 2 log 2. So what am I getting? I am getting 2i is equal to not minus 0 to pi by 2 log of sine 2x dx minus pi by 2 log 2. For this integral, what can we do is take 2x as t. So 2 dx would be dt. So dx is dt by 2. And what about the limits? Lower limit x0, t0. Upper limit x pi by 2, t would be pi. So 2i is equal to 0 to pi log of sine t. Dx is dt. So dt by 2, 1 by 2 constant comes outside, minus pi by 2 log 2. Now here if you apply instead of t pi by t minus x, so we are getting f of x equal to f of 2a minus x. If f of x is equal to f of 2a minus x, which property we can use? If f of x equal to f of 2a minus x, what we can do is we can keep the whole integral as 0. So our answer would be so which property should we use? Which property? So this you can write it as so if this is something like this 0 to 2a f of x dx, and if you have something like this you can take 2 times 0 to a f of x dx. So what will I get? 2i is equal to 1 by 2 times 0 to pi by 2 log of sine t dt minus pi by 2 log 2. So 2 and 2 cancel. What is this whole thing? 0 to pi by 2 log of sin t I. So we get 2i is equal to I minus pi by 2 log 2. So 2i minus I is equal to minus pi by 2 log 2. So I is minus pi by 2 log 2. Alright, for our 18 question, okay, sorry, 17 is remaining. Yeah, for our 17 question, what we can do is integration. I can write it as root x dx divided by root of a cube minus x cube. For simplification, I can take x cube as a cube sine square theta. A cube sine square theta. So x would be a sine power 2 by 3 theta. So dx would be a into 2 by 3 sine power 2 by 3 differentiation sine power minus 1 by 3 theta sine theta differentiation cos theta d theta. So we'll have integration root x. So root of this a cube power root of this a power sine 2 by 3 theta power 1 by 2 divided by root a cube minus x cube is a cube sine square theta, and what is dx? A 2 by 3 sine power minus 1 by 3 theta cos theta d theta. So I can write it as a power 1 by 2 sine power 1 by 3 theta 2 by 3 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 constant comes outside a sine power minus 1 by 3 theta cos theta d theta divided by root of a cube minus a cube sine square theta. Take a cube common, 1 minus sine square theta. 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta. So this will be root of a cube cos square theta. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 cancel. 2 by 3 integration a power 1 by 2 into a power 3 by 2 cos theta d theta divided by a power 3 by 2 cos theta. Cos theta a power 3 by 2 cancel. So this will be 2 by 3 integration d theta, that is 2 by 3 theta plus sec. So we took x cube by a cube as sine square theta. So x cube by a cube is equal to sine square theta. So sine theta would be under root of x cube by a cube. So theta is sine inverse root of x cube by a cube. So 2 by 3 sine inverse root of x cube by a cube plus c. Alright, next question. Based on definite integral. So I1 is given, I2 is given. For this I can use this property a to b f of x dx integration. I can write it as a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. What is a plus b minus x here? A plus b minus x, k plus 1 minus k minus x, that is 1 minus x. So instead of x I can substitute 1 minus x. So 1 minus k to k, 1 minus x f of 1 minus x into 1 minus of 1 minus x dx. So I1 is equal to 1 minus k to k, 1 minus x f of 1 minus x, 1 minus 1 minus minus plus x dx. So I1 would be 1 minus k to k, 1 into this whole thing. So f of x into 1 minus x dx minus x into this whole thing, x into f of x into 1 minus x dx. Limit same, 1 minus k to k. So if you notice, this is our I1 part, this is our I2, this was I2 and this was I1. So what will we get? I2 minus I1. So I1 plus I1 is I2, 2I1 is I2 and I1 by I2 is 1 by 2. Next question, area bounded by the curves y equal to x square and y equal to 2 minus x square. So this is the graph of y equal to x square, vertex at 0, 0. Y equal to 2 minus x square, you can write it as x square equal to 2 minus y, x square equal to minus of y minus 2. So vertex at 2, 0, this will be the graph of y square, y equal to 2 minus x square. They are intersecting at one point. You are asked this whole area. For this whole area, what I can do is I can find this area multiplied by 2 since it is symmetric. So first I need to find the point of intersection. What are the point of intersection? X square is equal to 2 minus x square. So x square plus x square is 2. 2x square is 2. X square is 1. X equal to plus or minus 1. At x equal to 1, y will also be 1. At x equal to minus 1, y will also be 1. So from this is the vertex 0, 2. From here, let's say this part of area, how can I calculate the bigger from 0 to 1, the bigger curve minus smaller curve. So area would be 2 times first, 0 to 1. What is the bigger curve? Bigger curve, red curve, that is 2 minus x square, minus smaller curve, black curve, which is x square dx. So area would be 2 times 0 to 1, 2 minus 2x square dx. Again, if I take 2 common, 4 times 0 to 1, 1 minus x square dx. So area would be 4 times, integration would be x minus x cube by 3 from 0 to 1. So area would be 4 times 1 minus 1 by 3 minus 0 minus 0 by 3. So area would be 4 times 1 minus 1 by 3 is 2 by 3. So answer is 8 by 3 square units. Alright, question number 20. The area common to the circle x square plus y square equal to 16a square and y square equal to 6ax. So we have circle x square plus y square equal to 16a square. Let's say this is the circle. So this will be 4a comma 0, this will be 0 comma 4a, this will be minus 4a comma 0, and this will be 0 comma minus 4a, and the parabola y square equal to 6ax. How is the parabola y square equal to 6ax? This is the parabola y square equal to 6ax. If I want to find the point of intersection, in place of y square I will keep 6ax. So x square plus 6ax equal to 16a square. So x square plus 6ax minus 16a square equal to 0. So x square plus 8ax minus 2ax minus 16a square equal to 0. So x common, x plus 8a minus 2a common, x plus 8a equal to 0. So we get x plus 8a into x minus 2a equal to 0. That is x equal to minus 8a, x equal to 2a. Now the last x value, x intercept is minus 4a. So of course x cannot be, it cannot extend beyond minus 4a. So x value is of course 2a. So 2a, if I keep x as 2a, y square is 6a into 2a. So y square is 12a square. So y is plus or minus 2 root 3a. Plus or minus 2 root 3a. This point is 2a comma minus 2 root 3. So what we are asked is this whole area. Again, for this whole area we can find this area multiplied by 2. For this area, what do I need to do? From x equal to 0 to 2a, the red curve, that is 6ax, and 2a to 4a, the black curve, which is the circle. So red curve, y square is equal to 6ax. So y equal to root of 6ax. So y is equal to root 6a into root x. And x square plus y square equal to 16a square. So x square, y square is equal to 16a square minus x square. So y would be under root of 16a square minus x square. So area would be 2 times, of course, 0 to 2a. The red curve, that is root 6a root x dx minus 2a to 4a, the circle root 16a square minus x square dx. So I'll find each of these integrals. First of all, this integral, let's say I1. Let's say this is I1 or whatever. So I1 is 0 to 2a. Now root 6a is a constant, comes outside root x. Root x is x power 1 by 2 dx. So this is root 6a 0 to 2a x power 1 by 2 dx. So x power 1 by 2 integration root 6 into root x power 1 by 2 integration x power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 from 0 to 2a. So this will be root 6 root a 2 by 3 x power 3 by 2, that is 2a power 3 by 2. So we'll get I1 as 2 root 6 divided by 3 into root a 2 2 power 3 by 2 is 2 root 2, and this will be a power 3 by 2. A power 3 by 2 into root a is a square. Root 6 into root 2 is root 12, and 2 into 2 4. So 4 by root 2 into root 12, yani root 4 into 3. So I can write it as 8 by 3 root 3 a square. This is I1. What is I2? This whole thing is I2. Let's find I2. Okay, for I2 what we can do is, I2 is 2a to 4a root 16a square, that is 4a ka whole square. 4a ka whole square minus x square dx. We can use this formula, integration root a square minus x square dx is x by 2 root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse of x by a. So if you substitute here x by 2 root 16a square minus x square plus a square की जगह what is there, 16a square. 16a square by 2 sine inverse x by 4a. Limits from 2a to 4a. So first of all, if we substitute 4a by 2 root 16a square minus 16a square plus 8a square sine inverse of 4a by 4a. So this will become 0. What remains is this thing, which is 8a square sine inverse 1. Sine inverse 1 is pi by 2. So 8a square into pi by 2, that is 4a square pi. Minus lower limit. What is the lower limit? 2a. So if I substitute 2a by 2 root over 16a square minus 4a square plus 8a square sine inverse of 2a by 4a. This becomes 1 by 2. So minus of a root 12a square plus 8a square sine inverse 1 by 2. So minus of a root 12 2 root 3 a square plus 8a square into sine 1 by 2 is pi by 6. So I can write it as 4a square pi minus 2 root 3a square minus 4a square pi by 3. So 4a square pi minus 4a square pi by 3 minus 2 root 3a square. Here we cancel 4 and 3. So this will be 8a square pi by 3 minus 2 root 3 a square. This is I2. So what do I have? I2. So what do I have to do for area? I1 plus I2. What is I1? I1 we got it as 8 by 3 root 3a. 8 by 3 root 3a square plus 8a square. 2 times I1 plus I2, sorry. 2 times I1 plus I2. 8. Area was 2 times I1 plus I2, right? Upper part plus lower part. 2 times I1 plus I2. 8a square pi by 3 minus 2 root 3 a square. Multiply this inside. So area would be 60. I'll multiply 2 later. So 2 times 8 by 3 minus 2. What is 8 by 3 minus 2? 8 by 3 minus 2 times root 3a square plus 8a square pi by 3. So 2 times 2 is 6 by 3, that is 2 root 3 a square by 3 plus 8a square pi by 3. So if I take 2a square common, I'll get 4a square multiply by 3 multiply by root 3 plus 8 pi by root 3 plus 2 pi by 3. If I take 4a square by 3 common, what will I get? If I take 4a square by 3 common, I'll get 4 pi minus root 3. Alright, let's move to our next question. Integration of dx. Integration dx divided by 2x square plus x minus 1. Integration dx divided by a quadratic. So if there is a quadratic in denominator, what do we do? I'll take 1 by 2 common. What remains? dx divided by x square plus x by 2 minus 1 by 2. So how to solve this? Completing the square method. So x square plus x by 2 is there. So plus x by 2. So 2ab should be equal to x by 2, where a is x. So 2xb is equal to x by 2. So b value is 1 by 4 and b square is 1 by 16. So what will I do? I'll add 1 by 16, I'll subtract 1 by 16. So this will be equal to integration 1 by 2 integration dx divided by x square plus x by 2 plus 1 by 16 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 16. LCM of 2 and 16, 16 sorry, multiply by 8, multiply by 8. So 1 by 2 integration dx divided by, this whole thing will be x plus 1 by 4 whole square. This will be minus 9 by 16. So if I take x plus 1 by 4 as t, dx would be dt. So 1 by 2 integration dt divided by t square minus 9 by 16, which is 3 by 4 ka whole square. I can use this formula. Integration of dx by x square plus a square is 1 by 2a log mod x minus a divided by x plus a plus c. What is a here? A here is 3 by 4. So 1 by 2. So this will give, so this solution would be 1 by 2 into 1 by 2a, 2 times 3 by 4, log mod t minus a, t minus 3 by 4 divided by t plus 3 by 4 plus c. 4 2 2 cancel. So we get 1 by 3 log mod, what is t value? X plus 1 by 4 minus 3 by 4 divided by x plus 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus c. So 1 by 4 log mod 1 by 4 minus 3 by 4, 1 by 4 minus 3 by 4 is 2 by 4, which is 1 by 2, and this will be x plus 1 plus c. So this will be, if I take LCM, 1 by 3 log mod 2x minus 1 by 2 times x plus 1 plus c. So answer is 3. Okay, next question, 1 to 5 mod of x minus 3 plus mod of x minus 1. So mod of x minus 3 will break at 3 and x minus 1 will break at 1. So anyways 1 is there. So 1 to 5 mod of x minus 1 dx, I can write it separately as this mod. When x is greater than 1, x minus 1 is positive, this mod will open in positive only. So 1 minus 5 x minus 1 dx, so it will be x square minus x square by 2 minus x from 1 to 5. So 5 square by 2 minus 5 minus of 1 square by 2 minus 1. So 25 by 2 minus 5 minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So 25 by 2, 24 by 2 minus 4, that is 12 minus 4, 8. Now for this will break at 3. So 1 say 3 mod of x minus 3 dx plus 3 to 5 mod of x minus 3 dx. When x is less than 3, mod will open in negative. So this will be 3 minus x dx, and this will be when x is greater than 3, it will open in positive. So it will be equal to 3x minus x square by 2 from 1 to 3, and this will be x square by 2 minus 3x from 3 to 5. Substitute 3 into 3 minus 3 square by 2 minus of 3 into 1 minus 1 square by 2 plus 5 square by 2 minus 3 into 5 minus 3 square by 2 minus 3 into 3. So 3 into 3 9 minus 9 by 2 minus 3 into 1 3 minus minus plus 1 by 2 plus 25 by 2. I can remove the bracket, it's anyways just plus 25 by 2 minus 15 plus minus minus 9 by 2 plus minus minus 9. Sorry, plus minus minus 9. So minus 9 by 2 and minus minus plus. This minus and this minus will become plus. So 9 plus 9, 18, 9, or we'll take all the like terms together. 9 minus 3 minus 15 plus 9. Minus 9 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 25 by 2 minus 9 by 2. So this will be 9 minus 3, 9 minus 3, 6. 6 plus 9, 15. 15 minus 15, 0. Or we can directly see 9 plus 9, 18 minus 18 is 0. So this becomes 0, and this whole thing minus 9 plus 1 minus 8, minus 8 minus or we can see minus 9 minus 9 minus 18, minus 18 plus 25. What is minus 18 plus 25 and plus 1? 6. So 8 by 2. 8 by 2 is 4. So we can add both of them. 8 plus 4, answer is. Okay, next question based on differential equation. We can see x plus 2 and y plus 1 is there in the question too many times. So what will you do? X plus 2 as capital X, y plus 1 as capital Y. So d small x is d capital X and d small y would be d capital Y. So x e power y by x plus y into d capital X is equal to x capital dy. So y by x is there, take this x down, dx there, x e power y by x plus y by x is equal to dy by dx. So e power y by x plus y by x is equal to dy by dx. We'll take y by x as t, y equal to xt, differentiate dy by dx is equal to x plus t, t plus x differentiation of t dt by dx plus t differentiation of x is 1. So e power t plus t is equal to x dt by dx plus t. T cancel. So e power t is equal to x dt by dx. So dx by x is equal to dt by e power t. So dx by x is equal to e power minus t dt. If I integrate both sides, log mod x is equal to e power minus t plus c. So log mod x plus e power minus t equal to c. So log mod capital X is plus e power minus y by x equal to c. So log, what is capital X? Small x by 2. So log of mod small x by 2 plus 2 plus e power minus y plus 1 by x plus 2 is equal to c. Now what is given? At x equal to 1, y is also 1. So log of 1 plus 2 plus e power minus 1 plus 1, 2 by 3 is equal to c. So log 3 plus e power minus 2 by 3 is equal to c. So here we have log of x plus 2 plus e power minus of y plus 1 by x plus 2 is equal to log 3 plus e power minus 2 by 3. So e power minus of y plus 1 divided by x plus 2 is equal to log 3 minus log of mod x plus 2 plus e power minus 2 by 3. So e power minus of y plus 1 by x plus 2 is equal to log 3 by mod of x plus 2 plus e power minus 2 by 3. Now if I'm asked the domain of this, again if I take log both sides, what will be there? What will I get? Minus y plus 1 divided by x plus 2 log of log 3 by mod of x plus 2 plus e power minus 2 by 3. If I take log both sides, what I am asked is domain. So domain mein of course x plus 2 shouldn't be 0, so x shouldn't be equal to minus 2, and whatever is there inside the log should be positive. So whatever is there inside the log, that is log of 3 by mod x plus 2 plus e power minus 2 by 3 should be greater than 0. So this 3 by mod x plus 2 plus e power minus 2 by 3, log positive. When is log value positive? When the inside part is greater than 1, this goes this side, greater than 1. So 3 by x mod x plus 2 should be greater than 1 minus e power minus 2 by 3. So 3 by 1 minus e power minus 2 by 3 less than mod of x plus 2. So mod will open in positive and negative, that is if I had something like mod x less than 1, if I have something like mod x less than 1, this means x would be from 1 to minus 1. So this will be 3 1 minus e power less than mod x plus 2 will open x plus 2 say minus 3 divided by 1 minus e power minus 2 by 3. If I do a minus 2 all sides, what will I get? 3 divided by 1 minus e power minus 2 by 3 minus 2 x minus 3 divided by 1 minus e minus 2 by 3 minus 2. So this value is alpha, this value is beta, alpha to beta. So alpha plus beta is asked. So what will be alpha plus beta? This and this value will get cancelled out. So it will be minus mod of minus 2 mod of minus 4. Answer is 4. Alright, next question. So greatest integer 2 by pi, pi by 6 to 5 pi by 6, 8 greatest integer of cosec x minus 5 greatest integer of cot x. Let's simplify it. So 2 by, if I simplify it, what will I get? 2 by pi integration pi by 6 say 5 pi by 6, 8 comes outside, greatest integer of cosec x dx minus 2 by pi into 5 comes outside, pi by 6 to 5 pi by 6, greatest integer of cot x dx. This is pi by 6, this is 5 pi by 6. Let's talk about cosec. Cosec at pi by 6 is 2. Cosec at pi by 2 is 1. Cosec at 5 pi by 6 is 2. So cosec while going from pi by 6 to pi by 2 will give all values between 2 and 1. While going from pi by 2 to pi by 6, it will give all values between 1 and 2. So greatest integer value will be directly just 1. So pi into 8 pi by 6 to 5 pi by 6, just 1 dx. So 16 by pi integration would be x, pi by 6 to 5 pi by 6. So 16 by pi into 5 pi by 6 minus pi by 6. So 16 by pi into 4 pi by 6. 2s are 3s are. So this will be 32 pi by 3. Now over here, let's talk about this integral cot pi by 6. Let's say this is 5 pi by 6. So here it is root 3 cot value. Pi by 4 pe it is 1. Pi by 2 pe it is 0. 3 pi by 4 pe it is minus 1 and 5 pi by 4 pe it is minus root 3. So this whole thing, this thing I can break it as pi by 6 to pi by 4. From pi by 6 to pi by 4 it is going from root 3 to 1. So 1 dx plus pi by 4 to pi by 2 0 dx plus pi by 2 to 3 pi by 4 minus 1 dx plus 3 pi by 4 to 5 pi by 6 minus 2 dx. So x times pi by 6 to pi by 4 plus this is 0 anyways minus x times pi by 2 to 3 pi by 4 minus 2 times x times 3 pi by 4 to 5 pi by 6. So we'll get pi by 4 minus pi by 6 minus of 3 pi by 4 minus pi by 2 minus 2 times 5 pi by 6 minus 3 pi by 4. So if I keep on taking LCM, pi by 4 and pi by 6, 3 pi minus 2 pi by 12 minus of multiply by 2 multiply by 2 3 pi minus 2 pi by 4 minus 2 times 10 pi minus 9 pi by 12. So this will be pi by 12, this will be pi by 4 minus 6 are. So minus pi by 6. LCM again would be 12. So pi minus multiply by 3 multiply by 3 3 pi minus 2 pi by 12. So this would be minus 4 pi by 12, that is minus pi by 3. And if you put the values here and calculate, you will get an answer. So if the area of region mod of x square minus 2 less than equal to y less than equal to x is given. So if we take y as mod of x square minus 2, mod of x square minus 2. So where will it break at? Where x square minus 2 is 0. That is where x square is equal to 2. That is x equal to plus or minus root 2. So the graph would be something like this. This is the graph of y equal to x square minus 2. But when I put a mod, it will become something like this. And asked next is y equal to x. So the line y equal to x would intersect it at, let's say, two parts. This is the line y equal to x. This over here and over here. What you are asked is this whole area. So what you can do is, let's find this point of intersection. How we can find the point of intersection? One with the positive mod, one with the negative mod. So x equal to x square minus 2 and x equal to minus of x square minus 2. So this will be x square minus x minus 2 equal to 0. X square minus 2x plus x minus 2 equal to 0. X plus 1 into x minus 2 equal to 0. So of course we can see it should be plus 2. So x may plus 2, y may also plus 2. And if I solve this, x square plus x square minus 2 equal to 0. So x square plus 2x minus x minus 2 equal to 0. X times x plus 2 minus 1 times x plus 2 equal to 0. So x minus 1 into x plus 2 equal to 0. So x equal to 1. So this point is 1 comma 1. So what I can do is area of this red curve minus this smaller curve, minus 1, say this point is root 2 comma 0 and this is minus root 2 comma 0. So this red curve, I can see it is a trapezium. I can use area of trapezium formula, 1 by 2 into, what is the parallel side? This is 1, this is 2. So 1 plus 2 into 1, that is 3 by 2. So this whole trapezium 3 by 2 minus this whole part. This whole part, how can I get? From 1 to root 2, it is positive or negative of x square minus 2, and from root 2 to 2 it is positive 1. So from 1 to root 2, area would be trapezium 3 by 2 minus 1 to root 2, the negative part, which is 2 minus x square, plus root 2 to 2, the positive part. What is the positive part? X square minus 2. 3 by 2 minus of 2x minus x square, x cube by 3, from 1 to root 2, plus x cube by 3 minus 2x from root 2 to 2. So it will be 3 by 2 minus of, if I substitute the value, 2 root 2 minus 2 root 2 by 3, root 2 ka cube, minus of 2 minus 1 by 3, plus if I substitute here 2 cube by 3 minus 2 into 2, plus root 2 ka cube, 2 root 2, sorry, minus, since I am doing a minus, so it will be here it will be a minus. Minus of 2 root 2 by 3 minus 2 root 2. So while solving this, we'll get our answer as 3 by 2 minus of 2 root 2 minus 2 root 2 by 3, 2 root 2, 1 minus 2 by 3, that is 4 root 2 by 3, minus 2 minus 1 by 3, 2 minus 1 by 3 would be 5 by 3, plus 8 cube by 3 minus 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 4, that is 8 plus 8 cube, 2 cube 8 by 3 minus 4, plus this will also be again 4 plus minus plus 4 root 2 by 3. So 3 by 2 minus of, this will be 8 root 2 by 3 minus 5 by 3 plus 8 by 3 it will be plus 3 by 3 plus 1 minus 4. So 3 by 2 minus 8 root 2 by 3 minus plus 3. This will give you a solution. You can compare with the solution to get your 6a plus 16 root 2 to get your value of capital A.